Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. In this video, we're going to be making a decorative finial. This is what we like to call a flame finial, or at least that's what I'm calling it anyhow. In general, that's what type of finial this is. So a couple quick things in the video here that I want to go over is that it's really a good idea to make sure that you split everything exactly dead even if it is your intention to have two even legs. The second thing that is important with doing that is it keeps everything nice and symmetrical at the end of the cut towards the end of the project. You would think that would go without saying, but it is very important. If you cut off center, you better stop right there and go ahead and get back on center or start with a new piece, because the project is really wrapped up around getting a nice symmetrical look throughout the entire piece. One of the other points about this is that we will be drawing out one of the legs of this, not perfect like you would do in, say, like a roasting fork. We are going to be drawing out one of the legs shorter and then one of the legs longer. The reason why we want that is so this way we have the extra bit to go around. Remember, curvatures end up eating up a lot of linear inches of stock. So anything with a curve is going to eat up a lot of material. So keep that in mind. One of the other things that you need to do while you're working on the piece in the fire is to work each leg every other heat. So you want to take and make sure that you're working on both legs evenly. So one heats one leg, the next heats the other, in order that it does not create reach issues when you're in the fire. Also, this will help you in potential burning up of, said, the smaller leg that you've already got drawn out all the way where you want it. You end up roasting it alive while you while you work on the shorter leg. So keep that in mind as you watch this video. That's just some real quick tips there. So hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of this video. If you do, remember to hit that like button, comment down below what you thought of the video in this format. This is probably going to be my format going forward, as it seems to be a little bit easier than having to explain out every single step of the journey, but time will tell to see if I stick with it. So without further ado, God bless you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of it. We'll catch you on the next one.